Starting with any project on GitHub or GitLab always means running the same command. The command is git clone followed by the repository URL. This downloads the entire repository to your local machine, creating a new folder named after the repo. For example, running git clone with a GitHub URL for a project called myrepo creates a local folder called myrepo, ready to work in immediately. One command, and you have everything you need to start contributing. Here is what makes cloning powerful. You do not just get the current files. You get the complete project history. Every commit, every branch, every tag. Git downloads a full mirror of the repository. Once cloned, you can work entirely offline, browse any previous commit, or switch to any branch. Because all that data lives on your local machine, not just on the remote server. When cloning, you need the repository URL. GitHub and GitLab offer two protocols, HTTPS and SSH. HTTPS is easiest. Just copy and paste the URL with no setup. SSH needs a key pair, but is preferred for regular contributors. Crucially, when you clone, Git automatically creates a remote alias called origin pointing back to the source, which is why git push origin main just works. So, git clone URL fetches the full project history and wires up origin automatically. Follow for more essential Git commands. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.